and the guest arrives and we want to serve them something which is delicious in taste and easy to prepare. For that, today we are going to make crispy chicken cutlets. Let's start. In a plate, add 1 cup of boiled shredded chicken, followed by 1 cup of boiled mashed potatoes. Add half cup of shredded cabbage, quarter cup of finely chopped onions, quarter cup of finely chopped capsicum, quarter cup of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, 2 to 3 green chillies finely chopped, half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste. Now we are going to add our dry spices, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, quarter teaspoon of red chilli flakes, quarter teaspoon chaat masala powder, quarter teaspoon black salt, salt to taste, some freshly crushed black pepper, we are going to mix everything very nicely. Mixture for the cutlet is ready. Now take a small portion of the mixture, roll it on your palm and give it the shape of a cutlet. Likewise, prepare the rest of the cutlets in the same manner. Now we are going to egg wash our cutlets. For that, take 1 egg, add a pinch of salt, some crushed black pepper, whisk it, first we are going to dip our cutlets in the egg, and then to make it crispy we are going to coat it with the breadcrumbs. Coat the cutlets very nicely with the breadcrumbs. Dust off the excess breadcrumbs and prepare the rest of the cutlets. We are going to shallow fry our cutlets. For that, heat oil. Gently place the prepared cutlets. We are going to shallow fry it on medium to low flame till they are nice golden in color from both the sides. Fry the cutlets in batches. Don't overcrowd the pan. We are going to fry our cutlets till they are nice golden and crisp from both the sides. These are done. Now remove them on a tissue paper or a napkin. Our crispy, delicious and super easy chicken cutlets are ready. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up.